Hey there, YouTube.
Oh.
This is our big window. We're gonna do something. Put AC in one of them. See? We got a big, luxurious view. My term is luxurious is different from the 5-star hotel luxurious.
Ouch, you're hurting me. Don't hurt me.
That's how big the window is.
Yeah, I'm his mom in pain.
Her booty is hurting.
I don't know what.
And here's Mini Night.
I know I didn't hit anything. Right? I didn't fall or anything. Ouch.
Give me some sugars, Midnight.
I've been sleeping a lot since yesterday. Like I got a shot in my ass into the damn shot. That's not it.
It's my job to keep her out of the window.
Oh.
Ain't that way, Miss Math Pretty Cat? You were trying to get that open so I could put an AC in now.
Is that tape?
No. It's weatherproofing.
The other one don't even shut all the way. Oh. Leave it alone, don't mess with it. It's not a toy.
Now I'll show you when we're done. I don't want to take up too much space, but I'll record it till about 3 minutes.
You know something? I wouldn't wish anybody came I'm in. I don't know. I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. I don't have any. I don't like. There's some of you I don't like.
Midnight. Well, we got an open window now.
Yeah, don't let her near that window.
Don't worry, YouTube. I'll keep her away. See? I can stick my hand out the window. I feel a cool breeze.
Let AC in there. Oh, shit. Come here. Don't let Spike get near the window.
Don't worry, I'll smack them away. Now see, a little spicy.
You're hurting me. Don't take
You.
my damn arm.
You.
Lay down.
Midnight.
No, I don't want her.
No, not you. You try to get for the window, I'll spray it with water.
Don't get near the window.
You can say, hello to my little friend.
Okay,
Hey. That's AC. I guess we'll be done in no time.
Stay over there.
I am. Wait a minute. We gotta do that sideways?
What? You know, if it's too big, you gotta take them things off too.
That'd be a good idea.
And I gotta find out how to close that. It's off.
Don't hit me.
It ain't even
Watch it. Don't hit anymore.
trying to open there. Whoa! I thought that didn't work anymore.
I don't know if it does or not. Stupid cow.
Yeah, it fits. But
Don't let nobody touch it.
no way I won't.
No. Well, what size is that window?
It's definitely not for a yant window. It's for not for a yant window. It's like for a yant window. We just need to get some.
Don't get on your bed with your shoes.
No.
Oh my fellow, get
I'm
off.
sorry. We just need to get some board.
Jacob?
I'm just saying.
Mark on me, please. Stop. And we might have to put a piece of wood underneath there.
Huh?
A piece of wood to hold it up so it don't slide this way. Do we? Alright. I didn't know. I wonder if that thing's gonna work before you.
I tried to get it to work over there.
Jacob, why did you just stop?
I'm not gonna stop. I tried turn on one day over there. It doesn't work, so you don't know nothing. I'll show you.
Don't do anything, you asshole!
Don't call me
Well,
that.
then back off.
Dad, plug it in. See if it works. See if I'm not joking.
I don't know, Jacob. God.
It was in the fucking back bedroom.
I tried
And
to
it did work.
plug it in behind the
He's trying
couch.
to, if you shut up. Stop acting like you're God or something. I'm sorry, but you're irritating as crap when I'm hurt. Oh, what the hell happened? That don't work.
Yes, it does. Just somebody had it turned on.
What?
You're on.
Leave the bed out.
He got shocked?
I don't know. Did you get shocked?
No.
Let me move the bed.
Get it bright, stupid hell.
Stop.
Hang on, YouTube. Wait a second. Well, it didn't work for me. Maybe it was over there, one of the power things. We got working AC now.
I don't set that thing high.
Damn it.
What is it?
We got AC now, YouTube. You can thank Daddy. Now all we need to do is... Whoa! I know. I better get going, YouTube. That's that. I'll see y'all later. Bye.